engine replacement video for the BMW M5 that I have for 4 years now. It's an engine malfunction, as you can see, and I took it to a shop. They put a camera inside, look at how it looks, or the cylinders and valves all are bent out and scratched, so I decided to buy a new engine. This is it. I also asked them to change the rod bearings before they send it to me. So here they also new spark plugs. So they're gonna ship it to me, and this is the video of them changing the rod bearings. I hope they did a good job. So I got the car up in the shop and my mechanic. The engine is about to be pulled down. This is right before the engine got pulled down. It's removing all the panels, removing everything to get it ready to pull down. You can see how it looks like underneath the car. You can see, and now it's the two engines. This is the new one. How often do you see two S85 engines side by side, new and old? The new is not new, by the way. It's used, but it's like new. It's supposed to be. The new engine is just a block and heads, so we have to move everything. We have to move the throttle bodies, all 10 of them. We have to move the alternator, the water pump, the compressor, everything, injectors. Everything is going to move to the new engines. How often do you see it side by side? I still love the look of two engines side by side. We already moved the ignition cords. Oh, look at the car without an engine. And this is the oil cooler. I replaced it 6 months ago or more. It's a new oil cooler. How often do you see two S85 engines side by side? Oh, by the way, I have new wiring harness for the engines that I got a few years ago. Here they are again, two engines side by side, S85 with the SMG gearbox. And guess what I'm going to do with this catalytic converter? Guess what? I'm gonna do what everybody's doing with them. I'm not going to let a new engine to go bad again. So I'm not going to let this thing restrict the exhaust airflow out. I'm not going to restrict the exhaust. So guess what's I'm not gonna let this engine go bad again. And this is the stock exhaust. It's huge. Look how big it is. It's the entire length of the car almost. Are those more catalytic converters in the middle of the exhaust? Let me know in the comments if I should do something about the stock exhaust. Can I just here it is again, the two engines side by side. We already put the ignition cords and the ionic sensors. Look, here is the name of the engine, S85. How often do you see the name of the engine on this engine? The BMW logo. How often? In case you want to see it, in case Look at the exhaust ports down here. This is the new engine. I hope it's good. In this video we're still in the progress, so you have to subscribe if you want to see the next video about this engine replacement. Look at all the components, all the accessories for the S85 engine. And here, if you look here, you can see here also the name of the engine. You see down there, S85. S85, that's the engine for the BMW M5 V10. Yep, I tried hard to see the name over there. The alternator is here. All those pulleys. There's something very magical about this engine. The throttle bodies, 10 throttle bodies. Idle actuators are still in the old engine. And look at those exhaust ports. You see on cylinder 7, look at how black it is. If someone knows in the comment what it means, that's the cylinder that gave me the problems. No compression on that cylinder. And the gearbox. SMG 7 speeds. And the catalytic converter with the header, stock headers, stock catalytic converter. Now it's on the ground. Here it is, it's huge. This engine can move a tank if you wanted to. I think the other shop put an X on those cylinders. The shop that put the camera inside. Yeah, I'm not moving the old spark plugs. They're still in the old engine. I have new ones now. The differential, the radiator. That's the BMW M5 on a lift without an engine. We're preparing the catalytic converter for a procedure. Take a guess what this procedure is. Look at those stock headers. Stock exhaust headers for the BMW M5 V10. Look at the more black one here. Yeah, my engine was not in good condition. Maybe even since I bought it. I bought it 4 years ago. You can see the catalytic converters here. And then two engines, S85 engine for the BMW M5. Look at all the parts that are coming out of the old engine, and this is the engine with all the components. This is the new one. That's the car with the 2 engines underneath. New wiring harness. Again, new 2 engines. Car above them. And just love this view. I love engines too much. I love this engine. I made aluminum block. 2005, 2010 BMW M5 S85 engine. Car on a lift. So I'm going to make more videos about this engine replacement. If you are interested to see these videos, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is still in progress. As of right now, the car is still not ready. S85. How often do you see the name of this engine on the engine? Only when the engine is outside. S85. You can see BMW logo. S85 engine. I'm gonna make more videos, and let's cross fingers that this engine replacement is successful. Catalytic converters, the stock catalytic converters. Guess what I'm going to do with them? I'm gonna make sure that they don't throw in my new engine. So we're gonna make the exhaust flow more freely through them. So subscribe if you want to see how it turns out.